Hi, my name is Betsy Redwan Sabella B with Realty Partners, and I wanted to actually talk to you guys. And have you ever wondered and be scared about your emails being stolen, or maybe somebody logging into your account from somewhere else? I think you need to have peace of mind, like I do. Download on your phone such an app called the Authenticator, and it goes through Google. And that way, no one can actually sign into your account until you can actually be verified by little numbers that you have on your phone. So if someone is out there stealing your account, they simply can't do it because you have it right here on your phone, and it's just peace of mind.